What's up everyone? Today we are about to be unboxing the gaming wizard, the Xiaomi Curved Monitor. So embrace yourself for this virtual feast that is about to redefine how you experience game. I'm excited and you should be excited. So welcome back. Now let us check these monitors. The common features I think is that no, cut.
You dumb fuck!
So welcome back. So now let us unveil this monitor. It has 21 to 9 aspect ratio, ultra wide screen, and also one funny thing about this monitor is that it has 200 Hz refreshing rate, which is like super crazy. Most monitor I found online is like around 60 or 120 or probably 160 highest. Yeah, but this one is crazy. I don't just know why I was fortunate enough to like get this one. And another features about this monitor is that it has like a split screen whereby you can do two programs at the same time, as for me, I can be doing programming and watching tutorials at the same time. So let's start to unbox this monitor right here, this beast. So let's get into it. Yeah. Yeah, this is nice package. What is this? Sorry. Okay, so the money comes with this display. I don't know what is display ports cable. I think so. That is the name. What is this? What do we have here? Oh, okay. I don't know what this is. So, okay, let me fix. I guess these are all together, right? Okay, so I'm going to attach it all together. This is like electric cable, and definitely the manual all comes in together. Yeah, straight to the monitor. Man, this is crazy, man. This is crazy. Let me take it out. One sec. Look at this. So this is the coffee that I was talking about. Wait. God. Why did you laugh? This is the monitor. It's like 13 inches and man, it looks super great. I can't wait to like start to use this. Feels so good. Okay, let's do it like this. I'm going to like fix everything all together at once. So yeah. So apparently it has one DC, well, of course this one, and two HDMI, and one port to plug this wire I was talking about, this cord. So it's just for me to like connect it with my um, previous computer, and it only have one what's it called? It only have one place for headset here. So and for me, I'm not going to use the what's the called again? Well, I can't remember. I'm just going to use the HDMI, so I'm not really worried about this. I'm going to keep it. So but let's get right into it. Okay. It feels so good. Look at this. So